My name is Irina Otelea. I am an offshore installation manager on behalf of EnBW, working on the turbine installation for projects Hohe See and Albatros. I'm responsible for the preparation and supervision during the operational phase of Hohe See and Albatros. When I'm finished with this project, I will have worked on about 200 turbines, which is great. I really enjoy being offshore. This gives me the chance to compare the paperwork with reality, a very important step in order for us to also make progress as engineers. I don't think I could go back to a normal office job after having experienced such large projects and what's happening there. Team spirit is very important to carry out very sensitive operations. People have to rely on each other. We are leaving a positive mark in the world and hopefully we'll be able to take it one step further. I think that's a big achievement and we should all be proud of it.